Hi everybody, I am back again with some more planners. I actually only have one planner left, the A6 size. It's listed down below. All of these other ones have been sold, and it is through my Facebook group, so they were group exclusives. Sometimes I just do exclusives for the group first, and if there's anything left over, you'll have a chance of grabbing it here on my channel. But I always will show you what I've made. And okay, so let's just get started. These are actually fall themed, even though the covers themselves can go through other holidays, like maybe like a shabby chic Christmas or shabby chic winter. But I did use a lot of stuff from Hobby Lobby, like the velvet ribbon is from Hobby Lobby, and the spine was also from Hobby Lobby, and it's actual ribbon too, and the material as well. These are both traveler's notebooks. This one is the B6 and this is the A6. So the A6 is 4x6 inserts. The B6 is 5x7 inserts, and that's in inches. Hold on one second. Alright, so this just sold, so now I am out, so I won't be listing it down below. But okay, so if you are interested in joining my Facebook group, number one, it is listed down below. Number two, you have to answer all three of the questions, not part of them, all three, in order to be added to my group. If you do not, you will actually be declined. I've declined many people who only answer one or only answer two. Please answer all three questions, and I know that you have legitimate reasons to be in the group, because I don't let just anybody. It's an exclusive group, and you have better chances of grabbing my planners that I do make and sell. And I do not do custom orders. I do have a lot of information down below. So yeah, like I said, these are already gone. I don't do custom and I don't do holds, but I do some group exclusives. Sometimes they will only air in the group, and like I said, if there's anything left over, it'll show here. So you might be interested in joining that group. Check out the link, and then maybe you can join in. I also do have tutorial playlists down below, because I have tutorials. I have lots of tutorials on all kinds of planner stuff. So there's two playlists for Traveler's Notebook and Ringbound. Okay, so let's continue with these, and they're pretty much the same. There's only a few differences, like the second felt clip that is on here, felt image, is different, and then some of the die cuts inside are different because I didn't have enough for 4, and I usually almost always make 2 of each planner no matter what, just because. I just simply tied a bow. That's it. I just made a bow and then added a larger ring and then the lobster clasp there. And inside I am also using Hobby Lobby material there, and that's like a metallic rose gold. I did add the pockets. The stitching this time for some reason gave me a hard time. I actually broke a needle, which I haven't done that in a long time, but after a lot of cursing and fixing, it worked in the end. And again, I always say it's not perfect. I still am not perfect. My sewing machine is not the best sewing machine for this kind of stuff. So, and I'm not about to go and buy a more industrial one either. I need something small and compact and cheap. So, you get what you pay for. I did throw in some stickers in here, some planner stickers. And I don't know why I'm really showing you everything that's in there, because again, they are sold, but just so you can see the kind of things that I add every now and then. I don't always add the journal cards because I don't always have stuff to coordinate, but I felt like these were fun cards. And I am throwing in the felt, what is this, sunflower from Hobby Lobby. I did make a shaker. Let me put this out here. And it does have fall related themes, but also some pastel stuff to coordinate. And these little images of the foxes and the owls, and there's even squirrels and some other critters in there. That's from the party section at Hobby Lobby. So it's like a critter theme confetti. I did throw in a doily. Actually put 2 doilies in here, and they're removable. And credit card pocket, a paperclip bow, and I made this. I always like to make bows with the scraps from these covers, and that way I have coordinating bows at the same time. I did just adhere everything with this particular material with hot glue. It seems to hold. Then these right here are from my personal digital kit, actually for my shop. I have a fall planner kit out from last year, so this is just part of that. I'll try to link that below. And then here is just some of the stickers that I found from both Hobby Lobby, and these are washi flakes from JoAnns. The this here does have a little bit of sometimes once these little glitter things come off once in a while. I can't even talk, so that's why there's one in there. But yeah, so all these cover papers inside are from my digital kit, and sticky notes that don't want to stick. Those are actually from Hobby Lobby. Then I have the kit, the files for these, for all the sizes. I have like a small file where it's just the monthly, weekly, and lined, but this doesn't have the lined in it. So here is the Hobby Lobby Scarecrow, where I did add the Google eyes there. I didn't add it to the other images that I have for animals. And the folder using my, see there's Fallout, that's the word, Fallout. Glitter Fallout. Again, digital image from my kit. There's the other one. This is not attached. And then here are some of the die cuts. It's actually from Jen Hatfield. It's from 2 different packs that I found that Tuesday morning. And then I have a tassel on a paper clip that I found also at Tuesday morning. The tassel is, I added that to the paper clip. Then the there's the fox. So I didn't add eyes to him. I just felt like he just needed to be like that. The backs of these I just used white cardstock because I didn't have coordinating colored paper for that. And then that's it. And that's the back pocket. Okay, so, and it's pretty chunky, which I love chunky. So, so that's the little one. And then the bigger one, oh wait, I forgot about this. I always do. So here is a gem, not a gem pen, but a bling pen, and some more stuff. This is also from Jen Hatfield, and then these are from JoAnns. These are tags from JoAnns. So I just put this page marker together with my digital kit, and then a foiled paper Target dollar spot pocket, and then I punched with my scallop oval punch that I still have. I still have some punches left. I didn't get rid of every single one of them, but I kept whatever I could use for planner purposes. And then the washi sample card. I think all of these are from JoAnns from like past couple of years. And there you go. So that's the page marker. And the other one's pretty much the same. So it's just bigger. It's the B6. I just love these ribbons that they have at Micheal's. You don't have to cut them. You just cut, you know, the top and the bottom, and that's it. So all the same stuff, same shaker stuff, just bigger. So just a quick look, because it's pretty much the same thing. Even the page marker is the same. The die cuts are a little bit different, but from the same collection. And I did have to pull out a paper pad for this one, because I didn't have, you need something bigger to create the folders for the B6s. And then there's a pocket here, and that is pretty much it. And if you're watching this and you're one of the people who purchased one, thank you, and go ahead and add some adhesive to those things so they stay down. So here's this one, and I did the technique where I do have a tutorial on how to make these clips so that the piece goes a little further down, and it's not, it would be normally like sticking way up here, so it goes down a little bit further. See, so it goes down to there. And I guess that is all. So there's the basics. There's that fallout. And yeah. So that's what I have for you today. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.